If you have been banned from Snapchat and you are looking for a way to create a new account from this particular device, then no worries. Here's the advanced guide. By following this, you will be able to create a new account from your banned device on your iPhone or Android. Before you do anything, open the App Store or Google Play Store. Type VPN. Look for a VPN that works best for your device. You can install any free VPN and then check whether it works or not. Once you set up a VPN with a different IP server, quickly after that, remove the cache from the app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap Storage, find out Snapchat app, tap Offload again, tap Reinstall. After removing old data from your Snapchat, open the app and tap Sign Up and Accept. After that, enter your first name and last name and tap on Continue. And now, enter your date of birth and tap on Continue. Then, create a Snapchat username. Your username must be unique and ensure that you don't have any relative to your previous account. Choose a strong password and tap on Continue. After that, enter your email and verify it. Otherwise, you can tap on Use a phone number instead if you don't want to use your email. After that, tap on Finish, and your account will be created. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any comments, then please write them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.